Defod i awenyddu. Gofod a ddŵr. Dŵr yn codi. On elevation, I ask you, listen to 3 breaths. However, apart. Mwd a gwanwyn, anadl a sibrwd, dwyn, galanegol a chalon, erddeoni ar ochrau yma. Goddess of poets, birch bundle, a primitive paper on which to write. I frigantia brain o braint, yr eiliad hwn. Afon braint a fraint i Athena, Per a Pheris, Ogwen ac Ogwydd, Conwy a Chnewyllyn, afon nodwydd ar waed, afon goch a'n anochel. Cariad brig a begw, serchus ffraid, carreg a chregyn, ceiniog a chen oredd, ac o anian, blaidd leiad, the bioluminescent potato moon behind the cloud covering syncretic, awen, privileged one, kale as salad, keratin on teeth, a fedwen arian, betula, pendula, betula pubescens, betula, celtebrica, bedwen, fai, bedw, brigant, brigyn, llei, brigand, bedol, bright, badinage, a lagoon, logic, blagur, o dalcen, caled.